3rd June is marked as Anti-Child Labor Day. On this day of anti-child labor, Right to Education (RTA) speaks about every child is compulsory for free and compulsory education from at the age of 6 to 14. Therefore, we encourage every child to go and get free education, and they must get free education. Should be stopped. Therefore, dear friend, every child should go to school to get education.
আজি বিশ্ব শিশু শ্ৰমিক বিৰোধী দিৱস হিচাপে আমি পালন কৰোঁ 12 জুন তাৰিখে। প্ৰতি বছৰে আমি 12 জুন তাৰিখে শিশু শ্ৰমিক বিৰোধী দিৱস হিচাপে আমি পালন কৰি আহিছোঁ আৰু চেণ্টাৰ ফৰ ডেভেলপমেণ্ট ইনিচিয়েটিভৰ তৰফৰ পৰা এই প্ৰগ্ৰাম আমি প্ৰতি বছৰে পালন কৰি আহিছোঁ। আজি ডনবক স্কুলত আমি এয়া প্ৰগ্ৰাম এই সভাখন আহ্বান কৰোঁ আৰু আজিৰ সভাত ডনবক স্কুলৰ প্ৰিন্সিপাল লগতে চেণ্ট জেভিয়াৰ কনভেণ্টৰ চিষ্টাৰ এগনেছ খেলা উপস্থিত থাকে।
Are here today, you are the privileged ones, right? You are so privileged and your parents are sending you to school. So likewise, we want all the children of our nation, from anybody planning to work without coming to school, do you know, your neighbors, your friends, have you seen anyone like that? For education, elementary education. And if there are students who are not able to study in the private school, they are compulsory and right to study. If you know anyone who
So before you leave, I request all of you to take and move to your classrooms. So once again, thank you to one and all.